Ko ia pea tētahi o ngā tino kairau o te wā, engari kua oti ke iaia he mahi I waho atu o te whira tākaro. Kua puta I te uri o Ngāti Rangitihi te turaki Pakitara, ana mā te whakaputa I ona whakaaro mō te tūkino Takāpui, te whakanui I te ao Māori, me ngā take ma te hinengaro anō hoki. Kātahi anō ka hoki mai I Hapani, tērā te whakapae ka hūpeke atu ki te tākaro riki, he oe kua hoki mai a perenara ki te whakamau anō I te poraka pango. Koenei te tuatahi o ngā pūrongo motuhake e toru e aro ana ki tōna tipuranga, tōna whānau me tōna whakapapa.
Ka whakanuia mo āna mahi ki runga I te whira, ki waho hoki. Ka tahi ka pupuake tōna āroha ki te tākaro ki ngā whira o te whanga o tītahi I Porirua.
But I didn't fall in love with rugby as much as I fell in love with sport as a young kid, and I think that was from spending time down at Onipoto Park with my friends and whānau down there.
Ka pua wai mai a ia I te kāreti o mana I Porirua, ko ngā akoranga I te pāka o Onipoto, e whakarite ana I aia mo ngā whakamātautau ki te kāreti o tira mo te kapa o Pango.
I enjoyed being able to work at a craft and knowing I was doing extras that other people weren't, and then it being paying off on a Saturday, and I really got a lot of fulfillment. And then to see that I could match it with like men when I was still 17 years old, I was like, man, like, I reckon I can do this, and not based on like a given gift that I like just a natural talent. Like I went from just being okay at school rugby to being able to match it with men.
Nā tōna pāpā a Thomas tērā whakapono ka whakatō, he kiwi, he tōkina pango omua, I poipoi I tana tama ki te whai I ona wawata hā kina kina.
The hardest trainers make the best players, and I reckon you can apply that to anything. But the most important one, I think, that my parents always used to say was it didn't matter what you did in life, just be the best person you can be.
Ka tuku aua karere ki te whakatupuranga hou o te whānau perenara, ko tanata māhine a Amaia, tōna āroha mauroa. Kua rereke painei tōna ao hei pāpā, kua tahuri ia ki te whai I tana reo Māori, me te manako kia tupu mai tanata māhine I tōna ahurea.
I didn't feel like I lost it. I feel like I never had it. And when I came to that realisation, like that really, really hurt me, because I always grew up knowing that I was Māori, knowing where I was from, but I didn't know anything about te reo Māori, te ao Māori, tikanga Māori, and I felt so disconnected from that side. Like I didn't go into kapa haka when I was at high school because I was embarrassed that I didn't speak the language and that I knew nothing about te ao Māori. When we decided that like we were ready to have kids and stuff, I didn't want that for my babies. I didn't want them to walk onto our marae and feel out of place. I didn't want them to fall into a conversation in kōrero Māori and not be able to hold their own, or not be able to speak te reo Māori. I want my baby to be confident and proud when she speaks te reo Māori.
Aha koa tērā, ko perenara tētehi o ngā tino pau ārahi, rongo nui o te haka a te kapa o Pango. Ko tana whanaungatanga ki tōna whakapapa, me tōna Māoritanga e whakapakari nei I aia, hei pau tākaro, hei tangata.
Yeah, I definitely think so. I think I spent a big part of my life knowing half of myself. There's another part of me, te ao Māori, te reo Māori, that I didn't know about. So the more that I'm connecting, the more I'm learning, the more growth I have in the space, the more I'm working out another half of me that I didn't know for so many years. And I think it's helped shaping me as an individual, as a husband, as a father, and as a rugby player.
I tēnei wā kei te tākoro whutupōro tonu a perenara mo te karapu o Norths I Porirua. Ka tīmata tā tātou pūrongo tuarua, hei a pōpō ki reira. Roihana nuri te karere.